doing the unboxing of the WPL C24-1. Let's get on with the video. So in the box, comes with the car itself, the owner's manual, that's in Chinese, and the car and controller. Get it open. Okay. So the car itself is really nice. It's really weighty. It has all the proper things that you would want in a scale RC car. And with the controller, it is fully proportional and has steering trim. So, and finally it comes with some accessories and extra parts with it. Alright, so I just put all the accessories on it, and I added the optional stickers that came with it. So I added the WPL C right there, up here, and obviously on this side with the 4x4 sticker. First thoughts with this thing, it's really nice. It weighs a good couple pounds, and it's more upgraded from the version before this, the WPL C24. So like when I owned the other one, it had plastic gears in the differential, and it had all or nothing steering. So it was like all this way, and it was really weak. But with this one, if I turn it on, I could show you. It also has lights, and it has fully proportional steering, so I can turn it slightly to the right and slightly to the left. I mean, for me it's left and right, but for you obviously it's different. And same thing with throttle, like was on the other one. You can go pretty slow with this. You can see how it's honestly like really nice. And with the controller, it has a steering trim right here, so you can make sure the steering is straight like that, and you can see how it's proportional. One thing I will mention though is that when you go to turn it, it does bump steer. So like if you turn to the right, it lifts up this side of the axle right here. And that would be really fixed quickly with just a little upgrade from you can even buy one from Wish. You can buy a little metal suspension link that is a little bit longer, because this one isn't long enough for this. So I just placed an order on some new shocks and the suspension links for it, and next video will be coming soon on it. As for crawlability with this thing, it has really piqued my understanding. It's been really good. Yeah, even though I just got it, like it hasn't had any problems out of the box. Nothing's been broken. I will leave the link in the description, and I guess that's it for now. So before I ended the video, I forgot to add some action of it, and since it's pretty cold outside and too much snow for this thing right now, I'll show you a little bit of crawling on my bed sheets, and featuring my cat right there. So as you can see, this thing is very controlled, and you can drive up these sheets no problem. One thing is with the steering is, because it's lock differentials front and rear, is that it's harder for it to turn. So it has a bigger turning circle than most RC cars. But it does perform really well. So like, as you can see, like this is, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's a pretty decent slope for a 1/16 scale RC car. But as you can see, it just goes up on it like a boss, and it tanks it all. Like, and it has some decent off-road speed. Oh, my bad, cat. I'm gonna flip it over back again, and I can show you some more views of it. So as you can see, it is fully proportional, stuff like that, and And my obstacle was originally planned to climb up this thing right here, but as you go up, because it's bed sheets, it just gets wrapped up in the axles and it has some trouble moving. But that's my error. That's not WPL's error at all. So with that, I'm gonna end the video and see you guys later.